Hey, in this video, I will show you how to delete Instagram draft on Reels in 2020 in 2021. On any iPhone and on any Android device. It's a very simple tutorial, so make sure you watch it until the end. And before we start, give this video a like for the algorithm. Each like gets us a few more views. Subscribe if you are new. And hey, if you have any questions whatsoever around the video, let me know in the comment section down below. I would love to help you out. And also, comment down below which country are you watching this video from. I'm curious to know. So to actually delete an Instagram Reel draft, let me show you how you can do that. I'll switch to an account that I manage, and to go on the Reels tab, you want to click on the second option, which is Reels normally. The third is sometimes IGTV if you have that available. And if you go down below a little bit, you can see your draft. So you want to click on your drafts right here. And if you just click on a draft, and try to click the X, you have discard, but it doesn't delete it. So to actually discard it or delete it, you want to click on select at the top right corner, then mark it or mark multiple ones, and then click on discard at the bottom, which will basically delete it. So yeah, it's not it's a very simple tutorial, but I know you can have questions, so comment down below if you do. We're uploading hundreds of videos just like this every single week for your value. So yeah, if you appreciate it, give us a like, and I want to see you in one of the next videos.